Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern titled Octagon Cluster Wheel, and we can have this is made with 8 granny stitches in the middle to start with, and we can have a design with 6 granny square stitches also, granny stitches also from the middle as a start, and have a 6-sided figure that will be named as cluster wheel, and this is octagon cluster wheel. So let's go into the video without much ado friends. Make a magic ring and secure it. You can chain 3 and begin, or begin with a double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets 7 times in the magic ring. So make it and get back. Complete that. So it's chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets 7 times in the magic ring. I shall come to the end and tell you how to go about it. Come to the end of the round here. So chain 1, and I have to complete my first set of 3 doubles. So I need to place 2 more doubles here. And then slip stitch to the first DC that I have made. Otherwise it will be the third chain of 4 chains if you had made 4 chains. So let me slip stitch to the first, and now slip stitch to the chain 1 space, and in this chain 1 space place 3 double crochets, this is the half corner I am doing. I'm not doing the full corner here. And then chain 1, in the next chain 1 space 3 doubles, chain, sorry, it has gone into the stitch, very sorry about it. Three doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles again in the same space. So in every chain 1 space you're going to have 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles for this particular round. And to go over to the next chain also chain 1. So continue the stitch pattern, complete. So for this round you will have excuse me, 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles in each of the chain 1 spaces, and between these the shells you have 1 chain space all around. So complete it. I shall also complete and get back. I have come to the end of this round here, and I have placed my 3 doubles to complete this complete the stitches in this chain. I made a single crochet and joined. I wanted to bring the stitch yarn to the center. Now let me make half corner and go ahead. So let me place my 3 doubles in this corner. This is a corner. It's every chain 1 space between the 3 doubles are the corners, and here this is the side. So let me make chain 1 and go over to the side and make 3 doubles. Again we have come to the corner, chain 1, 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles. Again chain 1, 3 doubles in this side. So complete all the sides in this manner. I shall also place all the stitches, complete them and get back to you. We've come to the end of the round here. Chain 1 and place the 3 double crochets to complete the first corner. We've done only the half corner over there. So once again, I'm not going to do chain 1, but I'm going to make a single crochet in that first stitch that I made to bring the yarn to the center. Okay, this gives a better spacing. And again, make half corner and go ahead for the next round. So place 3 doubles. And on the sides, we are placing only 3 doubles in each chain 1 space. This is the side one. So we place 3 doubles here, 3 doubles here in the corner. So let me make one side and show you. Chain 1. Chain 1. Chain 1 and the corner, 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles. So here we go. It will get set when we complete the project. It seems to curl now, but once we place all the stitches, it gets set, and it's an 8-sided figure. So let me complete this entire round in this manner. On the sides we are placing 3 doubles, and in the corner we place 3 double, chain 1, 3 doubles. This is the stitch pattern for this entire project, round after round. So let me complete this round and get back to you. I have come to the end of the round here. I place my last corner here. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the first DC to bind it off. Okay, so I have done only 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds here. This can be made into any size that we require. We can customize the size, and it will require blocking too, because it's an 8-sided one. It will require little blocking. Even now I have stretched it and I have kept it like this, so it will stay. Okay, this is an 8-sided octagon. It is cluster wheel octagon. You can call this cluster wheel octagon. Hope you like this stitch. It's made with simple granny stitches, but at the same time a very effective look it will give on your projects. Thank you friends for viewing this video. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Have a great day friends. Bye for now.